Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polygon MATIC. In today's video, we will take a look at this very big falling wedge pattern, and I also want to show you how Polygon has broken out this downtrend line resistance. That is the resistance, in fact, of this down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I'm also covering the different altcoins here which are possibly going to start big bullish reversal moves after this market crash by forming the different bullish reversal setups. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that MATIC was getting rejected again and again on this daily time frame chart by this downtrend line resistance. You can see several days it has been rejected here and again rejected here, and right now we are out of this resistance. And here we have tested this support here several days, and then again we tested this support here, and last time we have tested this support here on 18th of June, and then you can see MATIC turned very bullish. Right now we are moving through a very significant resistance zone. You can see previously this level had been breaking as a support here. By the way, this resistance zone is from 54.3 cents and goes to 66 cents. And you can see this level has been breaking as a resistance here, and as a support here, as a support here, as a resistance here. Therefore, this zone is very significant for MATIC. Even after breaking out this channel, we need to break out and come out from this resistance from 54.3 cents and up to 66 cents. And after breaking out this resistance zone, I'm expecting that soon we can hit the target for this down channel. Well, that will be here at $1.73. That is also a very strong resistance. You can see it has been breaking as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and support here, and almost as a support, sometimes as a support and resistance. But here it was breaking as a resistance, here as a resistance, here as a resistance, as a resistance. So many times it has been breaking as a resistance and support. Therefore, it can be a key resistance for the long-term bull run of Polygon MATIC. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then MATIC has just bounced from the support of a very big falling wedge pattern. It did not break down this falling wedge. And if we take a look at the oscillators like RSI, completely entered the oversold zone, and the stochastic is still oversold. RSI has turned bullish and stochastic is still moving in the oversold zone, but we have received a buying signal by the stochastic. Like this blue line has crossed up the orange line. That is a very big buy signal. That can be a very big buy signal, especially in this situation when we are getting bounced from the support of this falling wedge pattern. Now, the resistance of the falling wedge pattern will be here approximately at 73 cents, and I'm expecting that after getting out from this resistance of the down channel, and once we will be able to break out this resistance level as well, soon we can also break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well. And the target for this bigger falling wedge pattern can be here at $2.80, 88 cents approximately. That is the top of this falling wedge pattern. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.